Hi, welcome to Energy Star Portfolio Manager, or ESPM for short. Today we'll be demonstrating how to use the Data Quality Checker tool to identify any errors in our entries. First thing to note are the not applicable values in the table. If we click on the hyperlink, you'll see a message pop up explaining that the metrics cannot be calculated due to insufficient data. Using the Data Quality Checker, we can identify what data is missing. Now let's proceed by selecting a property of your choice and navigating to the My Portfolio tab. Now on the Summary tab, move down to the middle right-hand side of the page to the section called Data Quality Checker. By clicking on the button Check for Possible Errors, the tool runs a check on a full 12-month period of data to identify any possible errors. Let's go ahead and click this button. Once you navigate to the new page, select the end month and year for the full year period you'd like to run the Data Quality Checker for. So let's go ahead and set this period for December 31st, 2024. Click Run Checker to run the tool, and the results of the Data Quality Checker will appear instantly. If there are any issues in the data, they'll appear with one of two possible alert types, along with the issue description. As you can see on the right side, there's a brief description on what the two symbols mean. The red icon indicates there's incomplete or missing data in one of your previous entries, which needs to be addressed immediately. Please note that Energy Star submissions or any government reporting cannot be completed without resolving these errors. The yellow cautionary symbol indicates that data entered is unusual for a property of this type, or data is missing. But, unlike the red cautionary symbol sign, this error doesn't require immediate action. The Data Quality Checker is a tool used to identify errors. It is up to the user to resolve the errors in question using the guidance provided by the platform. Remember, the Data Quality Checker will not fix the errors on your behalf. As you can see, we have one urgent action to be completed and two cautionary errors. Select the drop-down arrow next to the error description to read the problem in the What to Do section to access a guide on how to resolve the error. Here you can see that since we have not provided any water, waste, or material meters, the metrics were not populated in the page before. Once these meters are added, the metrics will populate in the Summary tab. For the immediate action indicated by the red icon, there is an error in one of our meter entries that must be resolved. The problem description mentions that there's an overlap of 2 dates between two monthly bill entries for the electric grid meter. This is a very common issue that occurs while entering data on ESPM and is often easily missed. Thankfully, running the Data Quality Checker after submitting data is a quick and easy way to screen for issues. In the What to Do section, the Data Quality Checker provides a suggested method for correcting the error. It suggests to click on the meter above and view the entries manually to identify the error highlighted in yellow and resolve it. So now let's follow the suggested steps to correct the error with the electric grid meter. Once this is done correctly, we should see a green banner at the top of the Bill Entries page indicating that the submission is successful. For quality assurance, you can run the Data Quality Checker again to see if the error is no longer there. That wraps up our video for today. Thanks for joining.